here connecting with you guys in a way that only live music can do. So even though I sang this song a lot on these virtual shows that I did a few of them, because I thought we needed to hear.
So for this trip, we decided to come to the Wild Bill Days Festival located in Deadwood, South Dakota to celebrate the life and time of the most famous gunslinger, Wild Bill Hickok. For us, we mainly focused our attention on Main Street this trip, visiting some of the famous places that key events happened in history for the town of Deadwood, along with visiting the restaurants, casinos, and other hotel establishments in town. So with that being said, for this trip we stayed at the Celebrity Hotel located here on Main Street in Deadwood, South Dakota. This hotel is considered one of the top-rated hotels here in Deadwood. Now this hotel has a reputation for their attention to detail and spotless guest rooms. You can choose from historic Victorian rooms with all their charm or luxury rooms with marble and granite finishes. One of the many things that make the Celebrity Hotel stand out in its unique appearance is that there is a memorabilia museum on the main floor of the resort itself. See over 80 displays of priceless movie memorabilia from Hollywood blockbuster movies. Now the casino itself on the main floor is relatively small, but they do have a bar and they have a clothing shop where they also sell souvenirs. So on to our room accommodations. We stayed in room 218, which is a luxury king suite located on the second floor. So the thing I noticed was this room has a grand entrance that presents itself with a private hallway that leads to a wonderfully appointed suite. You have really nice arched windows overlooking Deadwood's historic Main Street. The two granite covered nightstands complement the king bed with a presidential pillow top mattress. Also complete with a double-sided fireplace that bring warmth and charm to the bedroom and bathroom. Impressive French doors open to the marble and granite covered bathroom, featuring a large glass and marble enclosed shower. For the romantic, a spa-like jacuzzi tub with spa amenities, European heated towel bar for hot morning plush towels, and a private water closet. So there you have it, just a quick room tour. Again, this is the luxury king suite located here at the Celebrity Hotel in Deadwood, South Dakota.